Hello guys, I'm gonna check my plants that I plant, the, the fruit bearing tree rather. So here we go.
I'm going to give my plants a good watering today to make sure they are properly hydrated. I'll check the soil moisture first to avoid watering which can be harmful. I'll make sure the water penetrates deeply to reach the roots. It's so satisfying to see them perk up after a good drink. I'll continue to monitor them closely to ensure they remain healthy and vibrant. I really enjoy taking care of my little green friends. It's the second week of caring for my plants, and I'm so happy to report they are all flowing wonderfully. They look healthy and vibrant. It's the third week of tending to my plants, and I'm incredibly grateful that they're all thriving. Seeing their continued growth and health is such a rewarding experience. Unfortunately, I have some sad news. My banana plant disappeared. My neighbor apparently thought it was their property and took it. I'm a little disappointed, but I'm focusing on the positive and enjoying the growth of my other plants. It's week 4 and I'm checking on my plants. I'm a little concerned because some of them look slightly droopy, so I've decided to give them a throughout watering. I'll gently loosen the top layer of soil first to ensure a good water penetration. I'll water slowly and deeply, allowing the soil to absorb the moisture fully. So good morning guys, this is the week 5. My plants are still alive and kicking. They're still quite small. I'm learning that tree plants are so much slower growers than herbaceous plants.